Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Xandis Millinery Crafts, and today I want to show us a tutorial on how to do a bridal handfan, the latest trending bridal handfan. I will link a picture to the screen of our inspiration that was recently used by actress Eniola Badmus, where she went to the JP wedding. So I got a client's order for the same handfan, so I got to do a tutorial and post on how I made this bridal handfan. So stay with me on this journey as we go into the tutorial in full. So first of all, you need a template. You need a template you can get in the market, or you can carve yours. But I went to the market, but I was not able to get this shape. They don't have this particular shape, so I had to get a template and draw out what I wanted. So I got this. This is the first thing you need for this design: a template. Make sure your template is very solid. If you're using a pattern, make sure to double it up. You can see that I doubled it to make it strong. Second, you need a shiny bias, the big one, for the hand of the handfan. Then you need a pipe, a PVC pipe, for the hand too. You need a scissors, candle gum. You need beads. We call this dropping beads. This is called a dropping bead. You will see how we're going to bead it later. Then I need the alphabets, the 3D alphabets, and also this is the inner lining for my the base for the template. I'm using this as the inner lining for my template based on my client's order. And also this is the lace. Please, for this tutorial, you want to use a very good and beautiful lace. Don't just go and pick anything in the market, because except your client or your customer has a budget. But I would solidly advise that you use a very good lace for this, because the beauty of this design is mainly on the fabric. I don't know, this one, I got this one for 9,000 naira in the market for half a yard. That is 1 yard is 18,000 naira. But you can get in any material of it. So just make sure the lace is one that has a good pattern. For instance, if you look here, you can see that this lace already has a pattern that can easily match the fan that we are going to do. So whatever you're picking, please pick a lace that is okay according to your own budget or your customer's budget. But pick something that looks beautiful, because apart from the beading, this handfan, the beauty is mainly on the lace alone. It is the lace that is the beauty of this fan. So let's head into the full tutorial. So the next step after your template is to attach your pad to this pattern. For this, I've already slit it open towards the sides. You can see that. Then you have to press it to allow it to be flat as possible. Then you open it a bit and attach it here. As you're doing this, you have to be very, very careful so as not to break both the pipe and the rings. And make sure it's very firm. Make sure this is very firm. You understand? I think this one I need to cut it more carefully. Every piece is crafted, made to shine. Bespoke designs, a touch so divine. For every queen we redefine. So I think this is okay. Once you've attached it and you're sure that the position is okay, something that is okay, go ahead, use your gun. Please make sure you're generous with your gun. Be very generous with your gun to make sure it stands firm. Confidence for the bold, the classy, the timeless. We create fashion that speaks elegance, bespoke fascinators, hats, bouquets, auto gel, and hand so you're sure that it's going to stay and not come out. Soft percussions, light strings, and smooth harmonies start the rhythm. Oh, na, na, na. Press it very well so that it's as flat as possible. Every piece is crafted, made to shine. Bespoke designs, a touch so divine. For every queen we redefine. So this is it. This is it. The hand is okay now. So the next thing after the gum has dried very perfectly is to wrap it up with a lining. I'm trying to wait so that it dries over very well. I think it has. We create fashion that speaks elegance, bespoke fascinators, hats, bouquets, auto gel, and hand fans crafted just for you. Soft percussions, light strings, so go ahead and wrap it up with the lining. Feeling royal, stepping out in style. Every piece is crafted, made to shine. Bespoke designs, a touch so divine. For every queen we redefine. So I need it out, you cut it out. I'm gonna have a wrap one side, so I'll go ahead and wrap this. So if you notice the template, I cut the template and added something to flip here. Then here I've used a small pieces of clothing to wrap it so that the hole here will not be showing. That's why I wrapped it this way. So to do this, we have to use our gum. Place it. Feeling royal, stepping out You have to be fast because you know one thing about this gum is it dries up really fast, so you have to do it as fast as possible. Place it neatly and press. Press it very well so that it will wrap very well and tight. So this is it. Then go ahead and fold it. Fold it. Confidence for the bold, the classy, the timeless. Please make sure you are fully and wrapping very well. This will help you to stretch the fabric. Hats, bouquets, auto gel, and hand fans crafted just for you. Soft percussions, light strings, and smooth harmonies start the rhythm. Oh na na na, feeling royal, stepping out in style. Every piece is crafted, made to shine. Bespoke designs, a touch so divine. For every queen we redefine. Yeah, Xandis crafts that inspire. Timeless beauty set hearts on fire. Elegant, bold, uniquely yours. For fashionable women, we open doors. Confidence for the bold, the classy, the timeless. We create fashion that speaks elegance. Bespoke fascinators, hats, bouquets, auto gel, and hand fans crafted just for you. Soft percussions, light strings, and smooth harmonies start the rhythm. Oh na na na, feeling royal, stepping out in style. Every piece is crafted, made to shine. Bespoke designs, a touch so divine. For every queen we redefine. Yeah, Xandis crafts that inspire. Timeless beauty set hearts on fire. Elegant, bold, uniquely yours. For fashionable women, we open. So you go ahead and trim off all the rough edges. Confidence for the bold, the classy, the timeless. We create fashion that speaks elegance. Bespoke fascinators, hats, bouquets, auto gel, and hand fans crafted just for you. Soft percussions, light strings, and smooth harmonies start the rhythm. Oh na na na, feeling royal, stepping out in style. Every piece is crafted, made to shine. Yeah, we have it. The next thing we're going to do is to apply the lace on it. But before that, you're going to note you have to create a space for the name. So for this this one now, I'm going to create a space for my client. So I'm going to go ahead and check it and start applying or covering the lace with it. So I've gone ahead to place the name of my customer on this. To do this, you have to make sure to arrange the whole alphabet, so that you be sure that you're getting an even arrangement before you place it. I'm not going this down, so I've gone ahead to place it. I can't raise it up because I'm not going to, but I'll go it down and show you so you see. You're supposed to do this before you start applying your place. So to do this, just raise it up, hide your gum, and place it down immediately at the same spot. Soft percussions, light strings, and smooth harmonies start the rhythm. Try as much as possible to make it place. Feeling royal, stepping out in style. Every piece is crafted, made to shine. Bespoke designs, a touch so divine. For every queen we redefine. Xandis crafts that inspire. Timeless beauty set hearts on fire. Elegant, bold, go ahead and attach the last one. Fashionable women, we open doors. So the sun is confidence for the bold, the classy, the timeless. Go ahead and remove any gum left to make it work neat as possible. So here we are ready to add our lace fabric. So first of all, I'll go and add the back. Soft percussions, light strings, and smooth harmonies start the rhythm. Oh na na na, feeling royal, stepping out in style. Every piece is crafted, made to shine. Bespoke designs, a touch so divine. Please make sure you position it very well so that the back can cover everything. Xandis crafts that inspire. Timeless beauty set hearts on fire. Elegant, bold, uniquely yours. For fashionable women. So I've gone ahead to place my gum on the base. from the back. I'm covering the back first. First of all, covering the back. So make sure your list is properly glued. Properly glued to it. You can go ahead and cut it out.
Soft percussions like strings and smooth harmonies start the rhythm. Oh na na na, feeling royal, stepping out in style. Every piece is crafted, made to shine. Bespoke designs, a touch so divine. For every queen we redefine. Xandis crafts that inspire. Timeless beauty set hearts on fire.
So I'm gonna go ahead and copy this something. It's not showing well.
Confidence for the bold, the classy, the timeless. We create fashion that speaks elegance, bespoke fascinators, hats, bouquets, auto gel, and hand fans.
This is the next part too. If you apply your gum, be careful because it's going to be showing through. So you have to just apply as little as possible.
And smooth harmonies start the rhythm. Oh na na na, feeling royal, stepping out in style. Every piece is crafted, made to shine. Bespoke designs, a touch so divine. For every queen we redefine. Yeah, 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 yeah. Xandis crafts that inspire. Timeless beauty set hearts on fire. Elegant, bold, uniquely yours. For fashionable women, we open doors. Honest confidence for the bold, the classy, the timeless. We create fashion that speaks elegance, bespoke fascinators, hats, bouquets, auto gel, and hand fans crafted just for you. Soft percussions, light strings, and smooth harmonies start the rhythm. Oh na na na, feeling royal, stepping out in style. Every piece is crafted, made to shine. Bespoke designs, a touch so divine. For every queen we redefine. Yeah, 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 yeah. Xandis crafts that inspire. Timeless beauty set hearts on fire. Elegant, bold, uniquely yours. For fashionable women, we open doors. Honest confidence for the bold, the classy, the timeless. We create
The back is ready,
fashion that speaks
and I think
elegance,
this is okay.
fascinators, hats, bouquets, auto gel, and hand
So we'll go ahead and attach the front. So the front is going to be a bit complicated because of the place where we put the name, but then we'll have to do it and do it well. So for this side, I like to go ahead and use the patches that I've cut out in order not to waste materials a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and attach this to here.
Confidence for the bold, the classy, the timeless. We create fashion that speaks elegance, bespoke fascinators, hats, bouquets, auto gel, and hand fans crafted just for you. Soft percussions, light strings, and smooth harmonies start the rhythm. Oh na na na, feeling royal, stepping out in style. Every piece is crafted, made to shine. Bespoke designs, a touch so divine. For every queen we redefine. Yeah, 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 yeah. Xandis crafts that inspire. Timeless beauty set hearts on fire. Elegant,
so why I added this is to complete the pattern that followed me. That's why I did that. So now, for sure, I'm going to get our confidence
for the bold, the classy, the timeless. We create fashion that speaks elegance, bespoke fascinators, hats, bouquets, auto gel, and hand fans crafted just for you. Soft percussions, light strings, and smooth harmonies start the rhythm. Oh, na na na, feeling royal, stepping out in style. Every piece is crafted, made to shine. Bespoke designs, a touch so divine.
So I'm trying to follow a particular pattern from the lace. That's why it seems I'm kind of I'm not placing it exactly, but I want that bead to show. So I'm going to go ahead and use the side instead.
Honest confidence for the bold, the classy, the timeless. We create fashion that speaks elegance, bespoke fascinators, hats, bouquets, auto gel, and hand fans crafted just for you.
So this is it. I just finished adding all the lace. I took my time so that I'll get the particular pattern I want. So this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the beads. For this I'm using the dropping beads. So for the dropping beads, I'm going to go ahead and use a fishing line to attach the beads to the edges. It's going to be a whole lot of process. It's going to take a long time. So it's not something I want to record on the screen, but maybe along the line I'll show you how I'm doing it. So just take the beads and start attaching it to the end and also here. So let me go to the beginning and get back.
A son is confidence, so inspired. For the bold, the classy, the timeless. We create fashion that speaks elegance, bespoke fascinators, hats, bouquets, auto gel, and hand fans crafted just for you. Soft percussions, light strings, and smooth harmonies start the rhythm. Oh, na na na, feeling royal, stepping out in style. Every piece is crafted, made to shine. Bespoke designs, a touch so divine. For every queen we redefine. Yeah, 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 yeah. Xandis crafts that inspire. Timeless beauty set hearts on fire. Elegant